Yes, a very warm welcome and a very good morning to all of you. On behalf of our Department of Psychology, I welcome you all to this Mental Health Day celebration activity. World Mental Health Day, every year it is observed by World Federation Mental Health. Every year they have some or the other theme. Even before that, around 3-4 years back, so जेव्हा एकदा मॅडमनीच ऍक्च्युली हा पॉइंट असा डिस्कस केला की अपार्ट फ्रॉम अंकुर डिपार्टमेंट कडून आपण आणखीन काही ऍक्टिव्हिटी ह्या कराव्या का किंवा काय करू शकतो आपण. सो ऍट दॅट पर्टिक्युलर टाइम स्पॉन्टेनियसली आय जस्ट सेड की आपलं मेंटल हेल्थ डे आहे, सो इट्स आवर डे. सो आपण त्या अँगलने काही करता येईल का. अँड देन शी सेड की ओके, सो एव्हरी इयर ऍटलीस्ट राईट नाव we can have this either lecture series or any such talk with students. So from 2018, every year we are organizing this activity on behalf of our department. In 2018, Amol Kulkarni sir, he was there to guide our students. In 2019, Anjali Salani, our past student, who was in forensic psychology. So she guided and she had a word with her students. And last year, Dr. Jayanta Dake sir. So like this, every year we organize such kind of lecture series. Eminent speakers are there to interact with our students. In this year also, we have eminent guest, Ms. Bushra Sheikh Madam, to guide our students on mental health in an unequal world, especially with reference to students, children, parents, and like that. Further, I request to our head of the department, respected Dr. Kapura Madam, to guide our students on this special occasion. Yes, madam. Over to you, please.
Thank you, Tanmay. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
First of all, good morning, all of you, and very warm welcome to our guest, Ms. Bushra Sheikh. She is our past student, our alumni, and I am very happy that she has accepted our invitation. Her formal introduction will be given by Tanmay sir, but I just want to highlight or focus on this particular topic of today, or rather, what exactly we expect through this World Mental Health Day celebration. As we all of you know that every year, all over the globe, all over the world, this Mental Health Day is celebrated. Usually, most of the time, the psychiatrists or the medical professionals are celebrating this, and you also might have come across with various events which has been started from Nasik also. Indian Medical Association has started a week since 5th October. They are celebrating this day, and they are taken the one topic or one theme every day, and they are enlightening the students or even the clients or the patients and all the psychology fraternity. But today, when we talk about this current theme, that is mental health in an unequal world, together we can make a difference. I think this is a very apt theme for current scenario. All of us has experienced, we have gone through the psychological, emotional, even financial trauma during this 1.5 years. All of us has experienced the pandemic, the COVID pandemic, and still, I think due to our positive energy, due to our particular mindset, or even the, we can say our emotional setback has not allowed us to get disturbed or to get what you can say turmoil by this particular situation as such. So when we are talking about the World Mental Health Day, it is just not the health related with the physical health, but when we talk about being a psychology students, being a psychological teachers, or rather psychology professors and professionals, we definitely agree that this is going to be happen for each and every person. Some are going to face this challenge in a positive manner. Some may get setback. They may face a trauma and they may get a trouble and they may not be able to get a right support as such. When we had discussed about this World Mental Health Day for current year, I have also discussed with my colleagues that we are going to celebrate this for 4 weeks. So naturally, this is the first इव्हेंट वी कॅन से किंवा मराठीत ज्याला आपण म्हणतो पहिले पुष्प, तर ते आपण आपल्याच एक्स विद्यार्थिनीकडनं सेलिब्रेट करण्याचा मानस आहे आपला की आपण ती तशी सुरुवात केली. इवन आय कॅन से वी आर गोइंग टू इन्व्हाइट अदर professionals of psychology or counseling, and they are also going to throw a light on this current theme. Even last year, when American Psychological Association has arranged their convention, throughout the year till 15th November, they are celebrating or they are trying to give us the various enlightening speech as well as various webinars and seminars. And I think being a psychology student, you must attend them, you must get enriched with this all psychological information. So once again, I congratulate and welcome Bushra Sheikh. And again, I will tell Tanmay to proceed for the further function. Thank you.
Yes. Yes, thank you so much, madam, for this. Now, it is my immense pleasure and even happiness to introduce our today's guest, Miss Bushra Sheikh, madam. She has done her master's in clinical psychology. She has also done her PG diploma in counseling and family therapy. In addition to that, bachelor's in education from University of Pune. She is a trained teacher for dealing with learning disabled children. She has also acquired her counseling skill training course from CCC Vellore. She has also done a diploma in Yoga Shikshak and currently she is working at DPS and as a PGT, psychology and a counselor. Apart from that, a proud moment for all of us, as ma'am said that she is our alumni. She has also worked with Air India Force at Devlali Station, being a counselor. सो असं पूर्णपणे ज्याला आपण वर्सटाईल गेस्ट असं आपण म्हणू किंवा वर्सटाईल पर्सनॅलिटी, सो दॅट वी हॅव अस. अँड इन ॲडिशन टू दॅट, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस फॉर्मल इंट्रोडक्शन, आय एम ऑल्सो हॅपी टू से टू ॲड दॅट थिंग दॅट वी आर क्लासमेट सिन्स 11 to MA Part 2, we have been to our department only. So again, on behalf of our department, Bushra madam, I welcome you, and now I request you to take charge of the session and to guide our students.
Thank you so much, Tanmay, for the introduction. Thank you so much, ma'am, for inviting and guiding. So thank you. It's just a word over here, but many more things to come. As Tanmay sir said, that it's been a long journey with college. Whatever I am, I owe to my department, my college, my teachers, everyone, no doubt about it. So really, it's a proud moment to be here and that urge to guide you all. Yesterday, when I was constantly having telephonic conversations with Tanmay and ma'am, the only thing was I mean, as the theme also says that the ratio of the mental health professionals is quite less across the globe. But now let's start from our own place. That's Nashik. So the best example that I'll give you, okay, whenever there's a recruitment interview process, whenever you go to schools, anywhere in any of the institutions, you see there are actually hundreds of people who have applied for the post of an English teacher, a math teacher, a computer person, most of them. And if you compare the ratio of the people who have applied for the post of psychology or a counselor, believe me, it's less than 10, somewhere around 5. And the saddest part is, as the interview starts, they're questioned in and out. The half of them, they actually run away from outside. And that is a saddening time where, I just feel it is because they don't have that faith or courage that they'll be doing the best for the society. So since then, I've been always feeling that I need to reach out to people and tell them how crucial it is to serve the human race and everyone, and we can do only once when we have the base of psychology. So thanks once again that I'm here. I would want this to be an interactive session. So looking at the theme, looking at the slide and the introduction that Kapure ma'am gave us, that mental health in an unequal world. It's an open-ended question wherein I want all of you all or few of you all to just add, what does this indicate? What can you see on the first slide? What might be the intention about it? It's not a class, so I won't be calling out the names, but surely I would want that you all would come up with this theme. Anyone? Tanmay sir, you can help me in this. You know your students
Yes.
well.
Right. Yes, students, part 1, part 2, you can share your views. As ma'am said, it is just interaction. Right, wrong चा काहीच part नाही इथे. Avi, Survi, anyone?
Why is it said that mental health is specially focused or it is specially connected to the unequal world? Why is it? Why the need is felt to label this world as unequal? Do you really believe that this world is unequal? No? Fine, let's go ahead. So the two things that are persisting, that are there in the world is, equality and inequality. I feel equality is something which is really difficult to attain, but it is not impossible. Okay, so it's just in the books that we say we want 100% equality. Okay, this notion of being perfect or being up to the mark. Down the line, media has given us. Everyone is striving for it. I feel 2 dimensions. I have interpreted this thing in 2 different aspects. Everyone is striving to reach for perfection. Everyone starts right from the child to the parent, to the teacher, to the professionals like us, to a homemaker. Everyone is striving for it. Dealing with schools and Indian Air Force and all. When you ask, आपने क्या बनना है, wherein there are varied sessions with parents and children and everyone whom you want to be. कैसे बनना है आपको, अगर ये पूछा जाता है, they want to say I want to be perfect. And they're striving, and I don't say that they should strive, but it is complemented by a lot of stress, lot of panic, lot of anxiety. If persists, it is even depression. So you see how many terms are associated with gaining equilibrium, or when you say equality. But do we really need that? No, we need not, because the world is dynamic, it is changing. We cannot just leave, or we cannot just have a casual approach towards everything. But the theme of the mental health says that it is an unequal world. There are many ways in which the world is unequal. The very first thing is socioeconomic deprivation, socioeconomic status. Then we have diversity, which is seen among the age, the religion, the race, the people coming from different areas, the different phases of life that an individual goes through. And the saddest part is gender inequality, wherein वो बात अब बहुत पिछली हो गई है, at least in the city that we stay, or the world is changing. The girl child is wanted and the boy is not wanted. No, we need to go ahead of that as well. Okay, boys also, males also have some disturbance. Males also are facing some trouble, so we cannot overlook them. Males also need to express their emotions. So when we say, oh my god, a young child, I have heard these children saying, अच्छा आप रोते हो, आप तो लड़के हो, तो लड़के रो नहीं सकते, लड़के कुछ कर नहीं सकते, लड़की can't get aggressive. Again, so this is also inequality. So we need not go far to see कि inequality कहाँ पर हो रही है. Inequality हर जगह हो रही है. We need to be, जब मैं कहती हूँ, I know when it's Rajeshri ma'am who is seated over here, I also assume myself as a student. The reason is because it's been constant guidance and it is never ending. It's never ending, that is for sure. So you and me all are responsible for this. It is not a one man's job, rather. Inclusion of health and vulnerable groups. When we say that health inclusion, now though Nasik is growing, now you see multi-specialty hospitals having clinical psychologists also. What role are we playing? A bitter truth, some bitter parts I'll come to it later on, so that you really be aware, since you're pursuing it, since you're studying psychology, or you are a student of the college, and next is the geographical condition, that is rural and urban. Aap kahan se aate ho? In an urban area, if a person is suffering from schizophrenia, or if a child is noted to be having autistic features, it is assumed or it is understood early, at an early stage, and a quick reference is done. What if the child or the person is staying in the rural area? What happens to them? How are they leading the life? And at the end of the day, who is responsible for it? Is a $1 million question. Okay. So somewhere down the line, the onus lies on us. We need not stress ourselves. How can I do it? We just keep on planning. How can I do it? Start from day one. Start from today itself, and you can contribute in the best manner to the society. I hope you all can see the slides which I'm changing. Now it's on mental health. Tanmay?
Yes, it is. Yes.
Yeah, thank you. So mental health, what exactly it is? Anyone of you all, would you like to just throw your ideas, or would you all like to relate to the slide that is being presented? Mental health, I've already given you some material. I'm a teacher also, so I can start calling the names as well, the names that I can see. So please come up. And in my class, all the answers are right.
Students, you should answer.
Aishwarya from MA Part 1 or TY, anyone?
What is mental?
Hi, can I say something?
Yes,
Please.
Neha.
Yes, Neha.
Yeah, okay. So I would like to add on a point where you discuss the inequalities. Education is also a very big part because जो illiterate लोग होते हैं उनके around इतना stigma होता है regarding mental health that they are not even able to accept and acknowledge the fact that they are mentally ill or they need help. So that is also a very big difference that we are not able to identify. It comes particularly with the underprivileged section of the society who are not able to get the right help and aid.
True.
So that is what I wanted to add. And about mental health, I really feel that it's all in the atmosphere. The whole aura and everything. I mean, you go like in a bad place with surrounded with bad people, somehow you're going to attract the energy and the vibe, and somehow you're going to mess up, and then the next hour you're surrounded with some really wholesome people, and you just feel fine, you just feel positive and everything. So I think mental health, most importantly, definitely depends upon the atmosphere and how you are surrounded, what kind of people you're surrounded with. So yeah.
Thank you so much for this answer. Really, really worth. So many things you've covered in this. So one point, what you said about bad people. What are bad people? Can you just, and I'm not judging you on this. I want to know. It will, enrich my knowledge. What do we mean by this?
By bad people, I think people who are constantly trying to pull other people down, people who are constantly gossiping, people who just cannot sit still and focus on themselves and want to iske idhar aag laga de ye kar de wo kar de. It's just they cannot sit still and focus on themselves, and once they see that they are not making progress, they are going to hinder everybody else's progress. And also bad people is कि मतलब रहते हैं कुछ लोग ऐसे रहते हैं कि वो इतने बैड, मतलब उनकी एनर्जी ऐसी होती है weird like those vibes and everything, we get the gut feeling and the intuition कि something is wrong, something is cooking up in that person's brain and we should just probably stay away or something like that.
Yes.
And I feel कि no one is bad actually, it's just the circumstances and how they have raised, and all the childhood trauma and abandonment that they have faced is probably reflected when they become an adult. So no one is bad actually, it's just what they go through make them like that.
So nice, so well said. So what she has said over here about bad people, this is what I was, going to come to. It is not people who are bad. It happens with everyone. I could really relate to that thing. There are people who don't want you to progress, or who cannot see you growing or dwelling, So they might get into. But have you ever tried to find out the reason what exactly is happening, or why are they doing? Or the another thing, I'll just give you a very, a close example. Yesterday, there was a colleague and who is calling and, just trying to tell me something, trying to convince me for something which was against my moral principles. So I actually got into that anxiety mode, and I was making a presentation. So I had to introspect, what am I doing and why am I getting affected? Disturb the scenario. Okay, either I would have said something which I shouldn't have, the other person also was not in a mood. But then today I had to take a time and I had to convey why exactly was I feeling and why I feel that the other person was wrong. So I feel going ahead that we'll be coming on the point, key strong, healthy, and what you say, a communication which is going to add value to the other person definitely would help going a long way. Why an individual is getting into anxiety? Because there is lack of care, there is lack of consideration. Disorder comes at a very later stage, I would say. Then life is messed up, as you said. The person might be going through some traumatic situation, either with a health concern of one's own self or the health concern of a family. Or I have seen children being seated in the class. I'm not speaking only about these 2-3 years, past 8-9 years wherein I'm dealing with children. There's a child who is coming and seated in the class who's constantly crying, and the case has been reported. Case as in the concern has been reported by the class teacher at 11 o'clock during the recess कि ma'am ये कुछ खा नहीं रहा है. क्यों नहीं खा रहा है? No one dared to ask. There were 4 teachers who came before recess. No one asked him. रो रहा है ना? ठीक है. At the most, don't cry. A general reaction. Why are you crying? Shut your mouth. Even if you're crying, you have to complete your book. Is a very, very common scenario which anyone would do. At home also, if a child is crying, the mother says, अगदी चुप्प बसायचं, आवाज काढायचं नाही, रडला तर अजून मारेन तुला. These are the common things. Why the child is crying, how much the child is getting affected. Has anyone take a heed why it is happening? A simple step, taking a step, calling the child and asking, क्या हो गया है, क्यों रो रहे हो? First the child is mum, saying nothing, because there's such a lot of thing that has happened. Because of crying, the child is not saying anything. And then eventually the child opens up after 10 minutes and says, morning I was taking milk, the milk fell down and my mother gave me a tight wrap across my face. And so I'm here. And moreover, she sent me to school. How can we expect a child who is so troubled, who is so stressed that physically the mother has slapped, the mental harm that the mother has done to the child, and we are expecting the child to be okay? Are we okay then? It's a question for us. No, we aren't okay, because we have not considered the other factors that can be, that need to be, or those are the contributing factors for the child to, focus or to stay healthy or to stay quiet. Quiet as in to be attentive. That is what I mean to say. So mental health ऐसा नहीं है कि schizophrenia है, OCD है और हमें केवल उन्हीं पर ध्यान देना है. It starts at every step. Wherein Sai was telling about bad people. So what I understood is there can be a colleague who is bitching about me on a very clear term. Why is she doing that? I need to take a step and tell you, enhance yourself so well that you need not be insecure about me. I can't do that. But how do I need to do? These skills you are learning now in your books, and time will come wherein you need to actually apply those skills. Now again, this is just an image. I want you all to on this image. There's nothing written over there. Yeah. What can you see in this image, or what can you interpret? Again, this is an image wherein your responses will be always right. There is no wrong response for this. Whatever you say is right. So please say something.
Either fear or shame.
Okay, it's either fear or shame. What else? What else can you interpret? What else can you understand from this?
She needs to be protected.
Very good. You feel that she needed to be protected. Good.
Yes.
Okay. What else? Others, please open up.
Because of the environment or surroundings, she might have locked herself into a cocoon, and she is not able to open up and talk about what all she is going through.
Yes. A good response. Anything else?
Ayushi has mentioned that trying to ignore the environment maybe.
Yes, yes. So it is basically an attempt to get isolated from the world. Yeah. World or the environment around. Good response, Ayushi. Anyone else? Any other response can I get? Fine. Okay.
She might be,
Please say.
yeah, she might be make a one kind of thing to means she want to be alone, or she want to be alone, or she don't want that anyone enters in her life or in her thoughts or
Yes.
anything.
Good. Yeah, so you basically mean to say that isolation, leave me alone, right? This is what you mean to say? Okay. What are the other people doing besides? What are they doing? What is their fine? You all are free to speak in English, Hindi, and Marathi. Please, I understand all the three languages.
Harshada said,
बोलिए.
Harshada said that a girl is not able to face them, other people in the sense,
Yes.
or Vishesh unable to wish to be alone.
Exactly. She's not able to face this world. Whenever there are adolescent girls, only girls, but yeah, most you know what, ma'am, my friend is thinking like that about me, and so I'm not able to do that, and blah 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 stuff. The first question you asked, आपसे ऐसे किसने कहा? किसी ने नहीं. तो आपको क्यों लगा? मुझे लगा बस ऐसे. ये मुझे लगा वाला feeling is trapping. If you see, I will tell you what I interpreted at this image, because it didn't have any heading at all. I was just searching something and I found this, and I thought probably would be an icebreaker. What I feel is it is inequality, because all others probably are in a I can't around her. We can name the cage of I can't, which she's built around her, and that is the reason she's not wanting to speak to anyone. She's not wanting to interact with anyone. She's not able to live a proper or a balanced life, and which is creating inequality. If you look at her physical appearances, if you just look at her, I'm pretty sure none of us would say that she's in an unequal world. She's society. She's dressed well, she's decked okay. That needs to be considered. And who are the people who can consider her? It is people like you and me. Going ahead, the onus lies on you. Neha Somani has said defense mechanism. Yeah, she's just not wanting to get into it properly. Not wanting to face the world. That is what I could interpret, or that is what I could understand from here. Fine. Probably this thing could relate to that image that we have seen, that it looks awful what happened. There's a physical injury and you are able to note it. You are able to see it. But coming on the other side, we don't know what's going on in your mind, what's going on in other person's mind. And again, the Indian tendency, we can say that we are very good at assuming things. Okay, my colleague did not speak to me, and I feel either I start introspecting, either I start recollecting events. मैंने तो कुछ नहीं कह दिया, मेरी क्या गलती है, मेरे साथ ही ऐसे क्यों होता है, why is she not talking to me, and all that stuff. Okay, or the other side, she's like this only. She never considers me. She's like that, and I'm just guiding the other person. Did I really take a note? If she's not talking to me, she might not be okay. She's not in a good mood. I have started all those things, pessimism and all. Itna ho jata hai, health at stake. Now I am only here to you and me. So do not believe everything you think. Any one of y'all, you can just speak about the image. Yes.
Ma'am, can
Yeah. Please go ahead.
every time our mind interprets things like अगर कुछ किसी का मूड, जैसे आपने बोला अभी कि किसी का मूड अच्छा नहीं हो इसलिए शायद उसने बात नहीं की हो, बट हम इतनी सारी चीजें इंटरप्रेट करते हैं और हर चीज को अगर हम सही मानते चले तो हम ही खुद अपने एक वेब तैयार कर लेते हैं जो
Good.
अलग अलग थॉट्स से बना होता है और उसी में हम फंसते जाते हैं.
Very good. It's like a spider's web. हम उसी में फंस. Very well said. ओके सो ये मेंटल हेल्थ की जब हम बात करते हैं तो ये सारी, जैसे मैंने कहा, आपकी साइकोपैथोलॉजी बहुत बाद में आती है. From this bit, it starts from interact, and we'll be coming to that point as well. First, you need to take care of yourself. Then only will you be able to give the society at its best. So it is said that you need not believe everything you think. अगर ऐसा ख्याल मन में आ भी जाता है, ऐसे थॉट मन में आ भी जाता है, stop at that moment, reflect upon ये क्यों आया है, and cut it off if it is not needed. वरना आप उसी में फंसते चले जाओगे. वो एक बड़ा भंवर सा है, जैसे आपने कहा है. Who is responsible for all these things together? जब हम कह रहे हैं कि mental health in an unequal world, this world is unequal. मुझे भी पता है कि a person cannot go and afford the mental health services. At times you see an autistic child, or you see having a learning difficulty, we immediately take charge of it. But there are schools still wherein they cannot hire, they cannot have counselors. Or let me go a step ahead. It's not always कि हमने कह दिया और वो सुन लिया. ऐसे हो ही नहीं सकता है. The very first thing is denial. I will not accept. I will not agree to what कुछ भी हो गई. आपके टीचर ने ठीक से पढ़ाया नहीं, मैं पहले से आपके स्कूल में है. Why? Because everything is counted on money. There is zero relation between the two things. The amount that you pay and your child is suffering from some, concern. It can be depression. Depression. So it comes in a later stage. It can be anxiety. It can be anything. It can be a learning concern or an issue. But lack of acceptance is a major challenge. That is one thing. Let me give you a second example about stigma. Working with Indian Air Force, I'll tell you what is their environment. They have a hospital. There are a number of doctors. But then, they have an outsourced post of a counselor. I always say to them, because you all care for the mental well-being of your people or the airmen, and so you have called. It's very easy for an organization to hire, to make payment, and to conduct interview and renew the contract on a yearly basis. When it comes कि आपने आना है, नहीं वहां जाते हैं तो सभी पूछते हैं. I am giving you an example from there. It happens to you all as well in our community, in civil background also. अच्छा, you go to a dietitian. Fine, dietitian भी बहुत बाद में आता है. You go to a MD, you go to an ophthalm, it is okay. You go to someone who is treating you for skin, that is okay. You go to someone who is dealing only with a particular concern or a specialization, that is okay. But the moment you say you have gone to the psychiatrist, people start speaking about you, people start questioning you. Okay, you can go to anyone, you can go to a gynac, you can go to an ophthalm, no one is questioning you. आपको क्या हुआ है, क्यों हुआ है? The moment you say, अच्छा, you went to the psychiatrist, ज्यादा स्टिग्मा आप काउंसलर का है. साइकियाट्रिस्ट तो ठीक ही है अभी, लेकिन काउंसलर, ओ माय गॉड, तो कहती है, लोग तो कहते हैं. इट इज कंप्लीटली डिपेंडेंट ऑन दैट फैमिली who is dealing with that person who is mentally unstable. And in between comes all those baba or interpretation, और वो सारा सब कुछ आ जाता है, wherein they feel कि उस चीज में शायद इस चीज का solution है. Time is wasted. I feel students like you can start. The first step that you can do is creating awareness. From where the awareness will start, it will start from your home only. I will need to keep a check on the time. I remember wherein I was working with my prior office, just crying. I knew that girl, see, as a student, she was an 8th grader child and she was crying. So मुझे वही लगा क्या हुआ होगा, या तो घर पर डांटा होगा, मारा होगा, और 8th तक स्कूल के स्टूडेंट्स का साइकोलॉजी में ये होता है कि पढ़ाई के लिए वो कभी टेंशन नहीं लेते, because they know that they'll be passed. Okay, so study is not a major concern for them. So when I just asked, this girl just kept on crying without uttering a single word. As I dropped the girl till her bus, and I made a call to the parent that your girl is crying. She was crying. I really don't know the reason. I just asked to keep questions. आपने उसे डांटा है, आपने उसे डांटा। दूसरे दिन ये लड़की आती है, and I was assembly and few girls came running to me, ma'am, वो लड़की है ना, calling her name XYZ. She's in the washroom and she's crying. Everyone is in the assembly area. I cannot express. Her hair were untied. That day she was not crying. She was surprised, and I was surprised to look at her. What exactly had happened to her? वो पूरा दिन बेटा ये कर लो, बेटा ये कर लो, बेटा was sent home. Again a call was to my the parents by me. इसे क्या हो गया? The girl is not getting over. Smiling. She is that she's crying again at the night. Sorry, I lost the connection, right? Can you hear me? Tanmay? Am I audible?
डिस्टर्बेंस आ रहा है बीच बीच में। Hello.
I will, ma'am. I'll just change my network. Give me a moment.
I wanted to tell you that
I'll
some
just
network issue is there, I think.
I will just change, ma'am. Just few seconds.
No.
Is that better now?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry for the trouble. Just a minute. Right. So I was telling you the story as in the anecdote of this girl.
We can't see your slide.
Is my screen visible?
Nahi
Okay,
dikh
I
raha
will just present. I'll just do it. I will present. Just a minute. So again, the third day. This comes and is it visible now?
Still it is not there.
Okay. I will just check. Screen sharing has stopped as a share window. Okay, fine. So I'll just complete with this case. I'll use the link for it. This girl again came and that was for sure that she is having OC symptoms because she was repeating the behavior. She, she had psychotic features also. She went into the principal's cabin and as if she is worshipping someone. She's got into a temple. She has taken a footwear outside. She went into as if she's worshipping. She is in the principal's cabin, taken everything for granted. There was a lot of mess which was created, and there were only two people who were catering this girl, was the principal and myself. The reason, because awareness amongst the teacher wasn't there by that time. I'm narrating this way back in the year 2015. So lack of awareness was one of the major things. I stepped out of the cabin because I was exhausted being behind this girl since morning, and a senior teacher at the verge of her retirement was asking me, "Us ladki ko devi aayi hai kya?" What is your take on this? What would you comment over? Anyone of you all, would you comment over this or no? Yes or no? Have you ever come to such scenario? Yeah? I hope I'm audible. Tanmay, can you hear me?
Yes, you are audible. It's clear now.
Yes. Yeah. So I'm just asking what what is the take, from this anecdote that I have narrated? Any comments to the anecdote? वो टीचर ने सही किया था, वो टीचर ने सही नहीं किया था, क्या किया था? और दूसरे लोग बस आकर as if a tamasha is going on, they're just peeping in and they're going out. Why did this thing happen?
It is too sad that the teachers are not ready to accept, or rather they have also not understood, because since
Exactly.
good
Yeah.
experience, they must
Yes.
have read about this all trauma and all such kind of problems, but they are
Yes.
not ready to accept, or rather
No.
they have just interpreted that in their own way, like all other normal people are interpreting.
Yes, so true. And after that, believe me, that day I still remember the trivial details of the day. The parents were called upon. I could say that this was a mental health concern. We had to take that. We had to refer that girl to the psychiatrist. The parents were not willing. Again, an equality part comes. Then my principal told me, because I was too fresh at that time to understand that they come from a particular state of the country wherein girls are unwanted, and she had 3 girls. उस वक्त तो फिर सारी history निकाली कि family environment कैसा है. They had 3 girls. This was the eldest one. She was always tortured. She was always labeled. She was always blamed and wasn't taken care of. ये जब हिस्ट्री पूछी गई तब पता चला for the past 20 days this girl did not sleep properly, this girl did not eat, and that mother is telling, madam अभी आपने जो अपने हाथ से खिलाया ना इसने वही खाया है. The madam is paid in school to counsel, not to feed the child, but out of humanity you take a step ahead, and the parent is saying, first because of awareness, second because of negligence, and third is because of inequality. And now this is the theme for us कि ऐसे scenario में your role comes in, wherein you have to contribute, going beyond the boundaries. Then comes the role of the teacher, wherein my principal said you need to go to the psychiatrist with them. I don't believe the parents. She was a more empathetic lady, and the other teachers were telling you don't go, risk है इनके साथ जाना. We took a step ahead. The girl was recommended for psychiatric treatment, wherein the doctor also gave the diagnosis that she had OC features, she had some psychotic features, and definitely, the treatment would go for a long run. So the limit was wherein the medicines were kept with me, and I used to give her the medicines, which was against the school's law. Everyone, the other teachers used to tell, अगर कुछ सोच नीच हो जाती है, madam आपकी नौकरी गई. But down the line, you have to cater to at certain time because you want the well-being of the people. I hope my screen is visible now. Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Yes,
Yeah.
it is visible.
And now we have come a long way, March 2020, and this is what the entire group is going through. Okay? So no one is an exception. Everyone has got affected because of it. Who all have got affected? I will just show you the images and we'll be discussing on that. So like very nowadays. I remember some 7 years, 8 years ago when I was new to this profession, the child would just say, sir dukh raha hai, pet mein dard ho raha hai, and we used to say कि ये school नहीं आने के बहाने हैं. I used to take a step ahead and ask कि किसका period चल रहा है. The reason is the child is not wanting to attend that class in a school setup. I'm telling you, if it is a men, working with in my setup, वहाँ पर मैं कहती हूँ कि हाँ ठीक है, आपके boss कौन है, आपके colleagues कौन है, because those things are also having a lot of impact. But now every one of us is having a collective cause, that is a pandemic which has affected us badly. So stress and anxiety, how has it taken us and where has it taken us? So isolation, very first thing. Lockdown, पहले 2 महीने बहुत अच्छा लगा, wherein everyone was, it was a dream come true. Wherein I always wondered that I need to be at home, because all of us have started our schooling, then it was our education, then our career, and we are just running. So initially it was very good. Social distancing, I really don't agree to this word wherein it is social distancing, because we all are social animals. How can we distance ourselves from them? Okay. So we have found ways and means. Those who could not found have actually faced the consequences that we dealing with it in the case study as well. The fear of pandemic, fear of getting affected is another thing. Next is lockdown situation. Most of them, it has affected economically also to most of the families. Then it's quarantine, it is lockdown. All these words are being, fashion words which have been used by us. And just a simple picture to tell you how has it affected. So, it is people, it is health related practices, which has been around us, but we could not reach despite we had money. There have been families, two scenarios. It's not only pandemic. Even if a person had a cardiac arrest but were not admitted to the hospital because COVID report nahi hai. I have money, but I'm not given admission into the hospital. I did not get treatment. In certain cases, they had only that life, but the family repents कि उन्हें treatment नहीं मिली. That is health-related practice. Next is social community network. We could not reach out. Then the other factors also got affected, and the last comes the economic and environmental factors. Ma'am, my voice, is it clear now? Hope the network is better.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Better. So this is a story of a child. Story matlab an anecdote of a child. Okay. This child, this case was Surbhi. You need to unmute, beta. Surbhi, if you have to say, you say something. Okay, fine. So this case was reported some 4-5 months ago, wherein the class teacher calls up and says, this is a child, ABC, who lost his grandfather due to COVID, who lost his tuition, personal tutor due to COVID, and now he's so scared, he's not wanting to move out of the house, he's not completing his work, he is not attentive in the class. He can log in the class, he does logs in the class, but he is not attentive, which is bothering the parent कि अब इसकी पढ़ाई का क्या होगा. So the concern from parent is ये पहले बहुत अच्छा पढ़ता था, ये अब अच्छा नहीं पढ़ रहा है. मैडम देखिए ना, आप ध्यान ही नहीं दे रहे हो. Was the baseline. Who is responsible for this? Madam alone is not responsible. The school authority is alone responsible. What is the trauma that the child is going through? The child has heard about COVID. The child has seen all those scenarios on television alone, but now it has hit his own house. He was very attached to his grandfather. He admired, he appreciated the tutor who used to come to his house personally. Both of them, they were stamped by COVID, and now we expect this child to be okay. He's so scared that he's not touching other things. He's not wanting to eat the fruits and vegetables. He's not wanting to open the door. And we are expecting him to be normal. How can he be normal? Just a bit of support virtually. I did not meet the child. Okay. Obviously, ये नहीं कह सकते थे because he is just in grade 4 now. उससे ये नहीं कहा जाता है बेटा वो तो destined था, बेटा वो तो किसी के भी साथ हो सकता है. You have to go to his level to tackle with him, to deal with him. So just a bit of counseling, just a bit of support, diverting him, like he is able to think something beyond that. I really could not put those screenshots and the way the child is functioning. The report is being given by the child. It's not a miracle that has happened. It is something that you reach out to the child who is in that anxiety, who is into that mental instability is the need of the hour. हम क्या करते हैं, अच्छा बच्चा पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहा है, एजुकेशनल प्रॉब्लम, टाइम टेबल बनाओ, पढ़ाई ठीक से करो. नहीं, it is something else that you need to dig in. Okay, so it's easy for us to learn the DSM criteria, to study psychopathology, and to write the exams and get scores. But when you get into the actual world, you need to consider, you need to understand. And yesterday evening, I just made a call to ma'am, and I was telling her that the onus lies on you people who will be passing out this year. ये बच्चा 2-3 साल के बाद जब बाहर आएगा, after his completion of, he'll be an adolescent, then he'll be completing his 10th after 6 years, and all these things, ये इसके जो initial stages, the harm that has been done, it has not yet resolved. It will stay in his life in a long run. And even when you all will step down after 7 or 8 years, not even 7-8 years, you will be stepping out, immediately in this, scenario. The after effects of COVID will be felt at least for another 30 to 35 years, because people have gone through. And not only people, it is, such growing children whose health, whose family has been distorted. There have been people who, there have been cases wherein they have lost their family members. So that is also one scenario. So how do you take care of that? That was one child. This is another child. Last week, I got a call from a friend, and again wanted to refer the case of a friend. So friend ke friend, ab aisa relation ho gaya. So he says, the family, the father is a cardiologist, this child's mother, she is also a doctor, done a specialization in radiology, if I'm not wrong, and blessed with 2 sons, 2 kids. The elder one is 4-year-old, and the younger one is, just few months, 10 months. And who is a medical professional कि मैम इसे ना सेपरेशन एंजाइटी डिसऑर्डर है, क्या काउंसलिंग करनी चाहिए? द ओपनिंग स्टेटमेंट, ओके, आई सेड आपको किसने बताया डायग्नोसिस? इसे मैम जब स्कूल जाता है ही इज ऑलवेज वांटिंग टू शैडो मी, वो टेक्निकल वर्ड्स आ जाते हैं, वो ऑलवेज वांट्स टू बी विद wherein I was telling about literacy. मैं ये कहती हूँ why I told you the profession of the parents, because too much of awareness also puts in a troublesome situation. तो इसे तो पक्का यही है, ये तो बस वहां जाता है रोता रहता है, he is always wanting that I should be around him, is the demand of the child. तो इसे यही आप मुझे बता दीजिए इसे कैसे टैकल करना है. I said let's wait, just those 10-12 minutes of conversation and understanding the family scenario. अभी बच्चा 4 साल का है, जब ये 2 साल का था उसके बाद was a time at a psychological level wherein he would have explored the world, wherein he would have understood, wherein he would have met the people, built those schemas, and then he would have stepped into a school scenario. Nahi, he was in India. Recently the family has moved to US, जहाँ पर उसका और कोई नहीं है, सिर्फ मम्मी पापा है. He is seeing the people, those who are of different color, different race, different ethnicity, those who are speaking a completely different language. The environment is so different, and he hasn't interacted with people for past 1.5 years. He hasn't explored the world. How can we stamp on him that he is suffering from separation anxiety? No, he is not suffering from that. A bit of support to the parent. I told I will not be interacting with the child because he is not okay with the screen also. I said no need. Only the mother can do good to the child. Only the family environment can do. मैं ये नहीं कहती हूँ ये नहीं होना चाहिए था. Pandemic is inevitable. It has come to us. But how are we tackling with it? And now you imagine after 10 years when this child will be an adolescent, how will he be? That time, such children, such people will come to you all for counseling. That time you need to consider kaun se saal kya hua tha, and then you can provide support and guidance to them. And last thing about this adolescent girl, I'll tell you. What happens is it is about what is trouble, what is stress. It is being around people that make you feel drained. It is you who are in residing basically in small group, and you are preferring to be in solitude. You don't want that there should be anyone around you. Many cases happening. The day before yesterday, I was just standing down, and it was just a very common general scenario jo nahi hona chahiye tha. I was just talking to a colleague of mine, and I was looking at the children because the physical school has started. I feel all these are children who are not taken care well of. So she started bursted out laughing, ma'am, not commenting. एक बात ये parents से पूछनी चाहिए कि what is the cause of the child that they are into this world. The reason is again in our culture, when the child is born, what is the need? Either they say the child was unwanted, or even after the birth of the child that unacceptance is there. And वो जो family environment होता है, वो जो upbringing होता है is reflected. Why did I say that? Why did I feel that? The 5th and the 6th grader children were so happy to come to school. We had enough of memes on WhatsApp कि वो आई पेक्षा बाई बरी. Why? Because the people who are outside, who are getting paid to cater to these children, are doing a better job. And at home, the scenario is, really in a bad state. It is in a bad shape. Now you might be thinking, why am I telling this to you? I'm telling this to you because your services will start right from today. First, it will be your home. Second, it will be your family. Third, it will be your neighborhood. Okay, you can at least, आप ये नहीं कह सकते हो कि अब mental health awareness है, I will think what I have to do. You can make people aware, the interaction pattern, how it has to be done. Again, I have many, interacting with all these people yesterday. I just went down and I met the school doctor. And the moment people see us, पूरा school, only one counselor, they say, आपसे ना बात करनी है, and I get so scared. अब इनसे क्या बात करनी है? So this doctor is telling me ना मला तुमच्याशी बोलायचं आहे मॅडम. म्हटलं हाँ मॅम बोला ना, मी येते खाली क्लिनिक मध्येच येते. And I went over there and she says, ma'am हा ना इतका त्रास आहे. He is seated there itself. He is just listening to mobile. Her son, who is just 5 years old now. हा इतका त्रास देतो मॅडम, ऐकतच नाही. स्पेलिंग सगळं येतं बरं का ह्याला, आणि ना गणित पण चांगला करतो, पण ऐकतच नाही. आणि मी जास्त बोलायला गेले ना तर हा ओरडून बोलतो. So I just told her, ma'am, आपण बोलूया विषयावर नंतर. The reason is I didn't wanted that she should give feedback in front of the child. यहाँ वहाँ की कहीं बातें हो गई, चाय कॉफी हो गई, and then after that this child is doing something and this lady is yelling on top of her voice. नको 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 असं नको करू, हे कर, ते कर. Oh my God, constant commands to that child. टेक माई वर्ड्स, अगर हम लैपटॉप कंप्यूटर पर भी इतने सारे कमांड्स एक साथ देते हैं ना, लैपटॉप भी मेरा हैंग हो जाता है. वो तो बच्चा ही है ना. What are we doing? And what is the profession? Why am I telling the professions to you? Because literacy is needed at every step for every person. The piece of a paper is not deciding the literacy. अगर मेरे पास मास्टर्स डिग्री है, ma'am and Tanmay sir would definitely agree. Even you might feel that even having a master's degree in psychology does not assure you are mentally stable. Not at all. Never ever. Okay, you need to have an insight, and we are lifelong learners. There can be some mistakes that I commit, but that does not mean I repent over. I need to learn and I go ahead with it. Okay, so the case that I was telling you, all these years, a mother says, all these years we kept him away from the phone and the computer, but now we have to do everything online. How do I explain to him that it is a new normal is really, really difficult. Because, you know, as a mother, especially those third and the fourth graders, पहले आप मोबाइल नहीं देते थे, अब आप लैपटॉप या टैब या मोबाइल देकर कहते हो कि do it. So that's really a challenging thing which has got to new normal. And these things will have a long term effect. Physical health, हम anxiety, depression, ये बहुत easily ये चीजें बोल रहे हैं आज. We are just associating with the lockdown effect or lack of socialization effect. The story does not end here. The story continues for another years together. And this is a challenging time wherein you will have to cater to these people, wherein you have to consider the background of these people. So you need to take care of yourself well. All these roles will be played by you. Okay, like n number of questions. ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है? उन्हें नहीं पता है. You have to cater them. There is a lot of, you know, गुंता म्हणतो ना आपण मराठीत, तसं आहे अगदी. खूप काही काही चालू आहे. काय नेमकं ते कळत नाही, पण काहीतरी चालू आहे. You need to build, you know, build the pieces together. You need to tell them that, you know, they are able to understand. एवढंच नाही तर relationship issues पण खूप वाढले. Again, a short anecdote I'll tell you. There is a couple who comes for counseling. It's a love marriage. 3 years of relation, 8 years of marriage, 11 years they know each other. Everything was well set. They never had fight. And now for the past 1 year, this lady, she is working in MNC, and this man, he's serving the defense. So now this couple, when they're staying together, they are facing a lot of issue. Itna issue बढ़ गया that this lady, she actually, you know, had to, she took phenyl. She tried to commit suicide. Going ahead, she has landed up to the conclusion that she wants to get separated. She wants a divorce from this man, and they're blessed with a lovely daughter, 5-year-old almost. So the reason was asked. Obviously, as a counselor, हम ये नहीं कह सकते ना, things aren't working well. ठीक है, ले लो divorce. When the thing was asked, कि again a detailed history. आप शादी के बाद कितना साथ में रहे? तो MNC में 8-10 दिन की छुट्टी मिलती थी. This lady used to come, और defense में इसको 2 महीने की छुट्टी मिलती थी. Partly he used to go and visit his wife. She is in Pune, and this man has been going across the country. And the daughter, the baby, was with her grandparents in Delhi. All scattered family. Now, what is the great reason that they aren't able to stay together? The only reason is they haven't known each other well. And it is this pandemic. They are actually cursing the pandemic. Pandemic की वजह से हमें साथ में रहना पड़ रहा है. Ideally, if you see, it is such a good scenario. But no, it is not good for them because they don't have that adjustment. And the poor child, when, you know, I felt so bad when I was counseling the parents. Both of them were seated across the table, and I could see the girl having n number of behavioral problems. Now forget about the couple. If the girl comes to you for counseling, where would you start the story with? Okay, so you have to again consider all these things because the world is difficult now. Shine principle is for you. How can you safeguard the students' mental health? Students, this is directed to you. Parents is your parent. I understand. आप online में क्या करते हो? आप मतलब everyone of you all the student population जो है ना, now I've understood well कि college level पर waking up a bit late, रात को देर तक series देखना, okay? Then you get addicted to that series. एक एपिसोड होने के बाद दूसरा एपिसोड, दूसरे के बाद तीसरा एपिसोड, फिर द फादर इज येलिंग एट मदर. अच्छा, यू आर नॉट कंट्रोलिंग द चाइल्ड. ओके, इफ यू आर अ बिट ग्रोन अप, यू नो दे आर वाईफाई आप यूज कर रहे हो, you're waking up late in the morning, the class has started, your camera is off, then you're brushing your teeth and wondering ab main kya karu. This is the, you know, a new normal that you all have adopted. But is it okay for your mental health? Really not. And what is expected from teachers side? Okay, having a class wherein the students are not non-responsive, wherein the students are not, you know, attending to or guiding. But I feel you all are matured enough, so I will just tell you how can you go ahead with this. All of you all know, but yet I would, you know, like to focus upon that time scheduling and maintaining a routine. Past is past, पिछला 1.5 साल चला गया है, okay, but you know, all of us as students of psychology, let's give a fresh start since October. Have a limited media time. No one is telling you no. Limited media time इसलिए कहा गया because it's been an addiction. I was again into one of the session and there we were discussing कि addiction क्यों हो गया है. That lack of self control is there. अगर हम टेलीविजन देख रहे हैं तो वहां पर होता है कि आज एक एपिसोड देख लिया, हो सकता है अगले सैटरडे को एक एपिसोड आए, या तो एटलीस्ट आफ्टर 24 आवर्स. अब क्या हो रहा है, आई हैव ऑल द एपिसोड्स, आई हैव अ गुड वाईफाई, आई हैव अ गुड कनेक्टिविटी, टाइम इज नॉट अ कंस्ट्रेंट फॉर मी. आई कैन बी अ आउल, मैं रात भर जागकर भी देख सकती हूँ. नो, देयर इज नो वन टू यू नो कंट्रोल मी और चैलेंज मी. सो यू नीड टू restrict your media time. We have gone ahead of Facebook and Instagram now. Identify role models. Whom are you looking up to is again very, very important, because there is someone else who is looking at you. You know, you're being seen by someone. Nourish the mind and body with good things, as in have good thoughts, have you know, a clarity about what you're thinking. Take care of your body. Again, I'm lacking short of time. It's again body mind relationship that we need to consider. You know, in a healthy mind only there's a healthy body, and vice versa. The process happens over here. Encourage open discussions. As I gave you a few examples, that speak up is very important. If I feel that the other person is not okay, give some time and speak and understand why this particular scenario is happening, because you can support. You are I won't say responsible, but yeah, as you have chosen to be in the field of psychology, the onus lies on you. And don't wait for a moment कि हाँ ठीक है अब पढ़ाई हो गई, अब मैं थोड़ा आराम करती हूँ या करता हूँ और फिर मैं शुरू करता हूँ. No, ours is a profession. You can start right from the moment. Reach out to people, guide them for the betterment without expecting anything in that. Ours is a profession, I'm telling you, wherein we were just, you know, taking it on a very light basis. Someone was telling the school has a strength of more than 2,000 children, and someone was telling, अरे ये बच्चा ना, तो I immediately committed ना ये बच्चा अच्छा है. तो everyone was in a surprised face. आपको कैसे पता? मैंने कहा अगर गड़बड़ होती तो मेरे पास आता था. As in, जहां पर भी कुछ disturbances है, the case is referred to you. जहां नहीं है, you know that, you know, things are working well. So how can you support? You can listen is very, very important. Half, or मैं तो कहती हूँ more than half of the things wherein, you know, adolescent children, or not even adolescent, even ladies in that age stage na, wherein they've crossed their 50 and they come to you and, you know, they want to say and they want to cry, my husband did this, मैंने तो बच्चों को इतना सब कुछ किया है. आप क्या कर रहे हो? अगर मुझसे मेरे सीनियर्स पूछते what did you do, I said I only listened. And you know, while going they will even comment, बरं वाटलं ना तुम्ही ऐकलं म्हणून, because there's no one who is listening to them. I will tell you, this is the best thing which will equip you with the knowledge, going ahead of the books. You can understand your environment only by being a passive listener. Passive as in, you just listen without commenting and without, you know, changing your body language, and you will understand the scenario, and that will be the best thing that you can ever do. Observe. How can you observe? Observe how people are behaving. Observe how they are talking. That role you can play at the best. Since going ahead of your books, then you can create awareness. How can you create awareness? Either you can reach out to someone and you feel good at the end of the day. You can model good coping. If I have to preach something, first I have to practice that. So, you know, first let me see stress management kaise hota hai. How can I control my anger? How can I do good to the society? How can I be a good student? How can I guide my parents to be a better one? मैं good parents नहीं कहूँगी, because अपने parents छोड़कर सभी के parents good लगते हैं, especially in the adolescence phase. Okay? इसकी मम्मी कितनी अच्छी है, उसके पापा कितने अच्छे, क्योंकि उन्होंने पैसा दे दिया या क्योंकि उन्होंने कुछ तरीके से cater किया. मेरे तो है ही नहीं. 24 students in a class and 24 will have different opinion about it. And you know, you always feel that the grass is greener on the other side. How can you be? First, you need to be calm, honest, and caring. किसके लिए? Calm for yourself. You need to be honest towards yourself, whatever you're doing or whatever you're doing. And you need to be caring towards yourself. Then only will you be able to do something better or good, because you can't pour from an empty cup. You need to take care of yourself first. It's a very important thing कि अगर you have stepped into this profession, if you have to contribute to the society, you have to take care of yourself first. It's not that कि I am in heightened amount of stress and I am going and serving the society. You're doing bad rather than good. And we come to the last slide, that how can you do some takeaways? You need to be active. Active as in you have to leave all those stragglers now, and you have to be an active listener. You have to be an active guide. You have to be an active member. Then only will you be able to. World Mental Health तो एक ही महीना है, अक्टूबर है, लेकिन हमारी responsibility is round the clock, 24/7, 365 days. Whenever I ask for a leave from organization, Air Force में या army में, जब मैं कहती हूँ ना, please can you give me a leave? Yeah, even in schools, in my prior organization, the principal was very firm about it. He used to say, बच्चों को अगर आज मैथ्स नहीं समझा, अगर टीचर एब्सेंट है वो कल आकर समझा देगी, लेकिन कोई बच्चे को ना मैडम अगर आज प्रॉब्लम है और आप नहीं आते हो तो वो प्रॉब्लम लेके कल नहीं आएगा, तो ध्यान दीजिए कि हाफ डे तो भी आकर जाओ. एंड यू नो टाइम I feel so bad. I said, this man is so bad, not even giving me a leave. But now as time passes by, now I really reflect upon and I feel how right he was. Now he is retired. Okay, but he has given me a lifetime lesson कि our profession is not कि कल नहीं आता है. You have to be ready for the society every moment, you know, then only you'll be able to do some better thing. You need to take control of yourself. You can't control the situation, but you can guide the situation in a better manner. You can connect with people. Now, who are the people? The people who need you. We spoke about inequality. You start from your homemade. Reach out. What is happening? There's a lot of alcohol abuse, alcohol dependence going on. You need to make aware, because you know they might be having, they for sure may be having, the children will be getting into the adolescence phase wherein they're getting into urge of taking drugs and all those things. You need to have some your time, that is me time. You need to challenge yourself and you need to upgrade yourself. मेरा MA हो गया, अब मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही हूँ, नहीं चलता है. मुझे भी लगा था, I was very happy when I moved out of the college कि at least 4-5 years I'll not study, but that never happened. I had to do it because I had to upgrade myself, not only with a piece of paper, yeah, but to gain something better. Avoid unhealthy habits. It starts right from your thinking to your eating to your sleeping to your everything. Okay, so you need to you are mature enough to bifurcate what is healthy, what is unhealthy, and all those things. You need to work smart, and you need not it's not work hard wala principle. Then you need to be positive in your life and accept things that you can't change. Just give me a moment. So all these things are of vital importance that we have discussed. I have spoken a lot. Anyone else, would you like to say something on whatever we have discussed? Would you like to say something on what all we have discussed?
Anything
Yeah.
to ask, anything to add on something? आणखीन काही शेअर करायचं असेल कोणाला तर?
Yes, student, you can ask if you have any doubt or you want to share something.
You can write in chat box also if you doesn't want to share.
Yes, yes.
Srishti, both Srishtis, Doshi and Siddhapure.
Hello,
हाँ, बोल सृष्टि.
ma'am,
खुशी
it's
खुशी.
Khushi.
हाँ, yes खुशी.
Ma'am, I'm very, मतलब बोल सकते हैं कि I feel very empowered because जो बुशरा मैम है, when I was in 10th class, KV ISP में she was our first counselor. तो शायद आज मैं यहाँ पे हूँ तो उन्हीं की वजह से मैंने मतलब उनका इतना इम्पैक्ट था हम लोगों के लिए कि 10th में हम लोगों को क्या चूज करना है, तो हम सारी लड़कियां सारे लड़के we all wanted to be a counselor because of her. और आज फिर से उनकी क्लास अटेंड करने के बाद वाओ, ऐसा लग रहा है कि फिर से वो मैम मिल गई, फिर से
Good.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि मैथ्स कॉमर्स क्या लेना है हम लोगों को, लोग बहुत कंफ्यूज थे. मैम आती थी, मैम जो हारी विंडो हम लोगों को पहली बार दिखाया था, फिर कुछ फिश पॉन्ड टाइप मैम ने करवाया था, बहुत अच्छा लगा था। और आज यहाँ पे फिर से मैम को सुन के बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। इनफैक्ट हम लोग मैम की मदर से भी मिले हैं। हम लोगों का 12th में प्रोजेक्ट था नेशनल चिल्ड्रन साइंस कांग्रेस का। तो उस समय हम लोग सर्वे कर रहे थे। सर्वे करते करते हम लोग मैम शायद इंद्रप्रस्थ एरिया में रहती थी तब, उनकी मम्मा से भी हम लोग मिल गए थे। तो मैम उनकी मदर ने भी हमें बताया था कि मैम कहाँ काम करती वगैरह वगैरह। उस टाइम मैम एनआरसी में काम कर रही थी। तो मैम बहुत अच्छा लगा, आपने बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया। थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
Anybody else?
Good morning, ma'am.
Harshada.
I'm
Yes.
Srishti.
Yes, Srishti.
Ma'am, nowadays divorce is something which we come across like every in like 5 like I don't know how to place it, पण divorce हा खूप frequent आपण like ऐकतोय की अरे family मध्ये आता recently they got married and then again after 6 months they got divorced, and that process actually खूप frustrating असते, खूप tiresome असते. आणि जे आताचे जे जनरेशन आहे ऑफकोर्स त्यांचे नॉर्म्स वेगळे आहेत आणि द फॅमिली लाईक ऍज वी से लाईक अ जनरेशन गॅप, जे एक जनरेशन आधी आहेत जसे माझे आजोबा वगैरे. सो तो गॅप येतो आणि टू रिलेट टू डिवोर्स दोघांचे व्ह्यूज खूप वेगळे असतात. लाईक in Atacha generation, taking divorce is something like a mutual decision or like a solution for them, but not for the family members, because it is like a stigma ki divorce kasa घेणार. म्हणजे in Marathi काडी मोड म्हणतात, in especially the rural areas, it's a huge thing. So what as psychologists, what can we do to enlighten people that divorce is something not bad but a mutual decision of the couple?
I think Bushra is not there. Tanmay?
लॅपटॉपचा इश्यू आहे, थोडा हँग झाला.
Okay.
1-2-3 मिनिटात जॉईन होईल ते.
Okay.
कॉल केला होता ते. येस.
Shall I give the answer of Srishti's question?
Yes, I
Srishti?
बोलायला की ma'am.
Okay. We have already discussed a lot about this earlier in our lectures also. I think though you are saying it is a mutual decision, but as she has also shared one case of a love marriage, right? And now they are about to take a decision of separation. So I think many factors are going to determine or affect this kind of decision. But one thing is how far you are compatible with your partners. Even when after 8 or 10 years of marriage also you feel ki there is no such kind of faith, or you feel ki that you don't want to continue with your relationship. And again, sometimes now it is observed, especially in the urban areas. You are also watching that in many serials and TV shows. Ki, what can I say, on the girl's side, most of the time her mother, she is also going to influence her in-laws life, or rather the latter life, when she goes to her what can I say, husband's place. Okay. And always the constant काय म्हणतो ना आपण नाक खुपसणं किंवा प्रत्येक तिच्या गोष्टीला काय म्हणता येईल टोकणं, किंवा रादर असं पण असतं की आता जे तुम्हाला सारखं व्हॉट्सअप आणि मोबाईलचं जे काही एक अस्त्र मिळालंय हातात, त्याच्यामुळे मग काही झालं की शी यूज टू कंप्लेन और शी यूज टू कंपेअर की आमच्या घरी असं नव्हतं ना, आता सासरी असं आहे. ओके. सो शी इज नॉट रेडी समटाइम्स टू ऍडजस्ट विथ, और शी इज ऑलवेज कम्पेअर्स हर earlier life parents place and current place as such. And regarding the boys, I can say ki again they are becoming the sandwich. लाईक आपण म्हणतो की नाही की आईकडे त्याचा ओढा आहे आणि बायको तर आता आत्ताच आली आहे जीवनात, तर नॅचरली ही हॅज टू टेक गिव्ह हर टाइम अँड लव्ह अँड एव्हरीथिंग. पण ते जे बॉन्ड आहे की नाही, आपण म्हणतो की जो तो बॉन्डच डेव्हलप नाही झाला. भले यू आर जस्ट under one roof, you are staying together, but if you don't give the proper time, proper emotions are not shared, proper attachment has not been developed, मग they feel की no, we are not able to continue with this relationship. म्हणजे आता आपण म्हणतो की ते कुंडली वगैरे सगळं आणि ते सगळे गुण अगदी 36 जुळत असतात, पण when actually in the marriage they are not able to sustain that marital relationship also. की आता तुझं जे दुसरं म्हणणं होतं की म्युच्युअल डिसिजन, पण असं पण आहे की प्रत्येक वेळेला म्हणजे आता नाव इन इंडिया ऑल्सो इट कम्स व्हेरी म्हणजे काय म्हणतात फ्रिक्वेंटली झालंय ते, पण तरी काडी मोड जे आहे आता तो एकदम थोडासा काय म्हणता व्हेरी काय म्हणते रूड वर्ड आहे, पण युजली वी से की वेन दे टेक दॅट डिसिजन पर्टिक्युलरली इट इज गोइंग टू अफेक्ट द होल ऍटलीस्ट 2 फॅमिलीज, मिनिमम 2 फॅमिलीज, त्या मुलीकडची पण आणि मुलाकडची पण. आणि मेनी पीपल हॅव बीन इन्व्हॉल्व when they have been deciding to take a marriage. Okay, तो मॅरेजचा जो डिसिजन आहे तो घेण्यासाठी आधी आता ठीक आहे लव्ह मॅरेज असेल तर हार्डली बॉय अँड गर्ल आर इन्व्हॉल्व इन दॅट, पण जेव्हा अरेंज मॅरेज आहे तर कितीतरी लोकांनी ठरवलेलं असतं, ते प्रॉपर मीटिंग झालेलं असतं, सगळ्या मधल्या प्रोसेस झालेल्या असतात, अँड द सिंगल डे बोथ द गर्ल अँड बॉय आर डिसाइडिंग की नो वी डोंट वॉन्ट टू कंटिन्यू विथ दिस रिलेशनशिप. तर कुठलाही डिसिजन वेदर इट इज युअर वर्क रिलेशनशिप, वेदर इट इज युअर मॅरिटल रिलेशनशिप और एनी पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप, अगेन आपण म्हणतो की खूप फॅक्टर्स आहेत. पर्सनॅलिटी हा तर मेजर फॅक्टर आहे की एखाद्याचं आपण म्हणतो की स्वभाव आहे की नाही त्याला जुळवूनच घेता येत नाही. ओके, और इट इज ऑल्सो की काय म्हणतात ती मुलगी कदाचित खूप पॅम्पर्ड आहे, ती त्या अटमॉस्फिअर मध्ये आलेली आहे, तिथे तिला कधी ना हा शब्द ऐकलेलाच नाही, नाही हा शब्द ऐकलेला नाही, किंवा रादर शी इज नॉट काय म्हणते न्यूक्लिअर फॅमिली आणि जॉईंट फॅमिलीचा एक भाग असतो बरेचदा की इतरांशी जुळवून घेणं. आपल्या घरी जेव्हा एक ऍज अ डॉटर ऍज अ समबडीज काय म्हणतात वाईफ तुम्ही जेव्हा तुमचा रोल चेंज होतोय तेव्हा इफ यू आर नॉट रेडी टू ऍडजस्ट विथ दॅट, आणि मेजर फॅक्टर आय कॅन से की टाइम, म्हणजे आता 2ऱ्या आणि 3ऱ्या वर्षात लग्नाच्या जर डिवोर्स होत असेल तर आय कॅन से की येस टाइम शुड बी गिव्हन टू बोथ द पार्टीज. पण जेव्हा आपण म्हणतो की 10-12 वर्ष झाले आणि आता त्यांना वाटते की नाही वी आर नॉट मेड अप फॉर इच अदर अँड सो बेटर वी सेपरेट फ्रॉम इच अदर. तर हा खूप म्हणजे येस इट इज व्हेरी काय म्हणतात डेलिकेट क्वेश्चन. पुन्हा ज्या कारणामुळे ते म्हणजे हा डिसिजन घेत आहेत तेच जर तुम्ही प्रॉपरली इन्व्हेंट केलं नाही किंवा प्रॉपरली रूल आउट केलं नाही, तर तुम्हाला माहिती की आता देर आर मेनी फॅमिली कोर्ट्स आर देअर, दे हॅव बीन इन्व्हॉल्व इन दिस. जसं तू म्हणते की म्युच्युअल डिसिजन आहे, पण तरीही म्हणजे डायव्होर्सचा ऍक्च्युअल डिसिजन घेण्याच्या आधी पण युजली म्हणजे आवर लिगल सिस्टम हॅज प्रोव्हाइडेड दॅट ऍडव्हान्टेज आय कॅन से बेनिफिट ॲज सच की त्यांना फॅमिली कोर्टात पाठवलं जातं, दोघांचं काउन्सिलर कडनं काउन्सिलिंग केलं जातं. देन म्हणजे स्टील इफ दे आर नॉट रेडी की नाही आम्हाला जे काही डायव्होर्स घ्यायचंय तेच घ्यायचंय, आम्हाला काही तुमचं ऐकायचं नाही, तर वी कांट गिव्ह देम एनी काय म्हणतात अदर सोल्युशन और अल्टरनेटिव्ह असं. पण खूप गोष्टी इन्व्हॉल्व आहेत, म्हणजे केवळ त्या व्यक्तीला त्या मुलीलाही ब्लेम करून चालणार नाही, त्या मुलालाही करून चालणार नाही, त्याच्या आई वडिलांना किंवा तिच्या आई वडिलांना पण नाही करून चालणार. खूप महत्वाच्या गोष्टी आहे आणि मेजर वे मला असं वाटतं त्या दोघांचं जे एकमेकांशी एक बॉन्डिंग ते जर झालं नाही तर म्हणजे वी कांट हेल्प इट, वी कांट गिव्ह देम एनी अदर ऑप्शन. कारण आपण म्हणतो की नाही की ज्याला कोणाला समजावायचं, ज्याला समजतं त्याला आणि ज्याला ऍक्सेप्ट आहे त्याला, ज्याला समजावूनच घ्यायचं नाही त्याला समजवण्यात म्हणजे काय म्हणतात आपण जसं आपलं डोकं त्याच्या म्हणजे हे करणार आहोत, मागे लागणार आहोत, पण ही वोंट बी एबल टू ऍक्सेप्ट अवर डिसिजन और अवर काय म्हणतात काउन्सिलिंग म्हणा की आपलं जे काय गायडन्स आहे त्याबद्दल. ठीक आहे.
Thank you, ma'am.
येस, बुशरा इज देयर.
Extremely sorry for the glitch. Something which never had happened to the device happened now. So I was on the last slide of the presentation. So the session I will just wrap up in short. We started with the theme of the mental health, that how it is there in the unequal world. How can we contribute for the betterment of the society? The world is unequal. If we accept this, then only will we be able to contribute. In books, everything seems to be okay at one line, but the moment you interact, the more you meet to people, you understand that you have to modify yourself. You have to change yourself so that you are able to reach out to a person. If I'm sitting here in school and I'm guiding someone, things are easy for me. Agar wo meri baat nahi sunte, I straight away guide to the principal. If I'm seated outside somewhere and I have to cater, I have to modify myself. Next, we came to the various problems that has brought to us, that had been brought to us because of the pandemic. Corona has been one name which has really changed our lives up and down. So it is not only 2020 say 21 tak, the after effects also will be visible later as well. Then we also thought of how you can take care, which is very, very important as a student, as a professional. You have to reach out to your parents for the betterment.
I just, because of this time log, I couldn't take that parents part as well. And as teachers, how are the teachers catering to you, and how you need to, help, and how you need to be a better person so that you are contributing well to the society is the need of the hour, is very important. And at the end of the day, it's mental health, mental well-being, मैं कहूँगी. So take care of yourself, and then only you can give in long run to the society. So that is all from my side. Sorry for the glitch, and thank you.
Thank you. Very nice.
Yes, thank you. You really enlightened us on various aspects of mental health. And the most important part, which I personally like, was that you have given many cases, many examples. So it was not only just a simple lecture, but that even practicality. And even apart from that, students, आज मॅडमने आपल्याला तो आणखीन बराच पाठ सांगितला की आपल्याला DSM चे क्रायटेरिया का बरं आणि कसे माहिती पाहिजे. So importance of academic in our career. So that part also ma'am has very skillfully highlighted. So again, I'm thankful to you, ma'am. And now I request to Archana madam to propose a vote of thanks. Yes, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
मला या सगळ्या सेशन मध्ये मॅमचं एक वाक्य शेवटचं फार आवडलं, that though we are celebrating mental health day on 10th October, but it is completely celebrated for 1 month. But it is not just for 1 month as for a psychologist or for a psychology student. It is 24/7 hour duty like that, because every time we really need to help the people, those who are really needed. And on the basis of that, ma'am, your today's session is really wonderful, enlightened our student a lot. And really, it's my pleasure to express vote of thanks or gratitude to you, ma'am. As a guest speaker, you have explained, or you have just explained the theme in a very proper manner. But as you are a past student of this department, so that is a very interesting, and that is a very good part for us also, or for our student also. And sometime when you have just miss out the little bit last point, when our one student is really appreciating whatever you did for her. So that shows that really whatever you are working or where you are working, it will be help to that coming generation. So thank you so much, ma'am. And really thank you for your inspiring and motivating words to us, and you enlighten our student in a very well manner. Thank you so much from our department. Even I will thank you, our beloved Kapure ma'am. As always, she motivate us, and she always is emphasize on arranging such kind of sessions to our students. So thank you so much, ma'am. Then I would like to thank Tanmay sir, as today he arranged all the technical part and everything, and as he's also saying that his best friend of you, ma'am, so Bushra ma'am. So it is really a very good thing. आज म्हणून आपण दुधात दुग्ध शर्करा योग सारखं झालं की आज आमचा गेस्ट स्पीकर आणि आमचे कलीग हे एज्युकेशन ज्यांनी बरोबर घेतलंय. सो रिअली फील व्हेरी गुड फॉर दॅट. Thank you, Tanmay sir. Thank you so much for all the arrangement and everything. And not the least part of my students, because it's really without our student we are not able to arrange such kind of sessions. So thank you so much to all my dear students. It's a very interactive way you have attended the session. You have took interest in the session, and so thank you so much for your presence. Thank you, everyone.
I think it is a reunion on the occasion of World Mental Health Day.
Yeah.
Nice, very nice.
Thank you. Thank
And
you.
actually, I was planning to invite Bushra quite early, but I don't know. This was the right occasion. This time we have invited her, and she has an.
Thanks.
Okay.
Yeah, and one more thing that I'm telling though, I started the session with it. What I've been seeing, there are very few people who are getting into the profession. So even if you have got a degree, please reach out, because the society needs you at large. That is more important. I feel that should be the takeaway for today. Thanks a lot. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
So, sir, shall we declare that the session is end over here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. Thank you. Thank
It's
you,
okay, madam.
everyone.
Oh. Kapur, madam.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
You can
Yes.
end up the session.
Okay. Yes. So students, we will meet on Monday with our regular routine lectures. Okay. Thank you so much to all of you again.
Thank you, sir and ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.